Talk about age. Lesson 6. Learn English with Deep. How old are you? Guess the words. How old are you? How old is she? How old is he? What are the words? 30, 25, 34. I am 30 years old. She is 25 years old. He is 34 years old. Put the dialogue in the correct order.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
How old is your mother?
She is 50 years old.
How old is your father?
He is 55 years old. Talk about age.
How old are you?
I am 35 years old.
How old is your grandmother?
She is 70 years old.
How old is your grandfather?
He is 75 years old.